Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Umpa Candace. In today's video, I am going to be talking about a survey platform that I've been with for quite some time, and I'm going to be doing a review and showing you some of the things that you can expect to do within the platform, and also showing you my proof of payment. But before that, if you are new to the channel or happen to be viewing this video for the first time, I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. Today we are going to be looking at this website right here. As you can see on my top left hand corner, it says Your View Research Community. It says right here, we pay incentive for answering online surveys. Give us your view and get paid. The rewards that you can expect to get within this platform is that you can choose your rewards from airtime, Woolworths vouchers, or cold hard cash, and you can start redeeming from as little as 30 points or save up your points for more expensive rewards. So this is the lowest cash out threshold website that I've ever come across. Like from 30 points you can literally claim an airtime or recharge voucher. So yes guys, this is something that you should be on a lookout for. I'm also going to come here just to show you guys that you can participate or complete surveys with your cell phone, your PC, or your tablet, and their surveys are quite short, so you won't expect to do surveys 30 minutes long or an hour or 45 minutes long. Their surveys are usually 15, 10 or 5 minutes long. They also have this group here where they say they usually run a group discussion for between 30 minutes to an hour where you discuss with the moderator, and you can see some of the other group members what they've said. And for you to actually earn, you earn more when you are participating in the group. As you can see here, it says group chat pay out more points than survey, often allowing you to earn 2 times or 3 times or even more points. So those are some of the things that you should be on the lookout for. I'm also going to be showing you guys the testimonial, so I'm just going to scroll down and show you what some of the community members have said. So you can just click here. This one said the best I love had 3 vouchers from Take a Lot. This one says love it, instant reward. This one says I love my favorite site. So when you have time, you can just scroll down to these community and just see what other people had to say. As I scroll down, you can check this page. They do have a social media page on Facebook and Twitter, and they also have a Google Plus account, so you can just check them out there and also check some of their competition. Here they are stating that they have rewarded payouts from since 2017, and this is the amount of cash that they've paid out to participants, airtime that they've paid out to participants, and also recharge vouchers that they've paid out to participants. So the sign up process is quite simple. You simply come here and sign up now. You click on the sign up now button and it will prompt you to this page. So in this page, it is quite simple for you to sign up. You simply put in your email address, your password, you repeat your password, you come here and select gender, whether you're a male or a female, and then you come here also and you put in your date of birth, your postal address, your cell phone number, and then you click their terms and condition and click on the pink button that says register. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to come here and log into my account just to show you some of the things that you can expect within this platform. After logging in, I am prompted to a page like this one. This is their dashboard. As you can see, they've got a couple of surveys. I don't understand because the closing date of the surveys was last month, but they do have surveys that you can just look into. This is how their surveys are displayed. So I'm just going to come here to the rewards and just show you some of the things that you can expect to get as rewards when you redeem your rewards. So I'm just quickly going to click on the rewards button, and then I will be prompted to a page like this one. As you can see here, they've got 29 rand airtime, and then they've got a 30 rand airtime. ATA is also Telkom, so if you are using Telkom, you can redeem ATA. They also have an MTN and Cell C, both of 30 point and 35 point equivalently. They also have a Woolworths voucher, and you only need 100 YV points. They also have Woolworths 200 rand voucher, and you only need 200 YV points. They also have Takealot. You only need 100 YV points, and you can claim in cash for only 250, and they need 250 YV points. Those are some of the rewards that you can look into and claim. I'm also going to be showing you guys my transaction and some of the surveys that I've done, just to show you that you can complete surveys that are quite simple, and you can easily get your airtime, your recharge vouchers, just complete it like with a minimum time of 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 10 minutes, and the likes. One thing I like here is that firstly, you will get a reward for completing your profile. So just after signing up, you are going to receive a reward for completing your profile. I'm also going to show you my first claim or redemption that I made. I did redeem 30 YV points worth of 30 rand airtime, so I did redeem that. I'm also going to be showing you guys into my emails, but let me quickly show you here first. That was the first one, and the second one is this one right here. I claimed 30 YV points on the 13th of April. On the 13th of April, I claimed 30 YV points. Also on this one, I claimed 30 YV points on the 13th of April. And also the last one is this one, where I claimed 30 YV points on the 21st of April. So I'm also going to be showing you guys in my emails. But before that, if you find value in this video, please give it a like, and if you have not subscribed, just hit the subscribe button to get more valuable videos like this one. I'm now in my emails. I'm just going to show you the message or the email that they send me after I have claimed my 30 points. So this is the email that I received, that I have claimed 30 reward points worth of 30 rand ATA airtime. ATA airtime is also a Telkom mobile recharge, and they also sent me the recharge number on the 15th of March. That was the first one. I'm also going to show you the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. The second and the third one that I received is this one here. I received them on the same day, so I'm just going to start with the first one, this one at the top. I'm just going to click on that one. The first one I received was also 30 rand airtime. It was for a Telkom mobile recharge. This is their voucher number. It was received on the 13th of April. And I'm also going to be showing you the second one, which is this one at the bottom. I redeemed a 30 rand airtime, and this is the recharge number, also on the 13th of April. And I'm going to show you the last one. The last one I received was on the 21st of April. I received a 30 rand recharge voucher for Telkom mobile. This is the recharge number. I received it from YourView. As you can see right here, YourView has sent me this reward. This is something that you can also receive. You can get the link down on the description box, and also look into some of the other surveys that are similar to YouView. You can use the airtime that you redeem from YouView to complete other surveys and get more money using surveys, so you can have the potential of earning more than I have received if you put in the work, of course. Enough have been said, guys. Thank you for